To get started, log into the Hark Platform with your email address and password. When you log in, you'll get instant access to the dashboards you or your team have created. The Hark Platform consists of modules that you'll see on the left-hand side. Each module allows you to view or manage various parts of the Hark Platform. The Analytics module, for example, allows you to manage your sensors, view your sensor data, and set up alerts. The left-hand menu can be collapsed and expanded to provide more or less information about the items within the menu. To start streaming data into the Hark Platform from your devices, you can set up gateways. These gateways are typically industrial gateways like the Dell 3000 or 5000 series gateway. Once the Hark software is installed on the gateway and connected to the Hark Platform, the gateway will go green in the gateway's dashboard. Clicking into a gateway will provide you with the ability to view your connected devices. Hitting Create Device will allow you to connect a new device to the gateway. This device could be an energy meter or a HVAC system, for example. Create one by giving it a name and selecting the protocol for the device you're trying to connect. There are many protocols to select from, including BACnet, Modbus RTU, and Modbus TCP, or many more, which are enabled on a per-account basis. When you've connected a device, you'll be able to see the different bits of information you're reading from the device. For example, this Modbus device, we're reading the kilowatt hours, amps, phase information, and more. Clicking into the Analytics module will show me a list of my locations. These locations might be a warehouse, a production facility, or an individual site. Inside locations, we have groups of sensors or assets, like this demo refrigeration system. Clicking into an asset, I can see in real time, minute by minute, the kilowatt hour data, instantaneous power values, the temperatures, and more. I can drill down into a specific sensor that is contained within the refrigeration asset to see top level statistics such as the daily average and the day's min and max values. I can see a graph of the last 30 minutes real-time data for the sensor, or select a date range to see the trend of the sensor's data. You'll see the audit logs for this sensor. Inside the Hark Platform, everything has an audit trail as part of our FDA 21 CFR compliancy for life sciences, which logs all actions performed in the Hark Platform. Underneath, you'll see a table of alert logs, which are logs of individual readings that are out of tolerance based on the rules you set up or our anomaly detection system. When viewing a sensor, I can set up rules for alerts to ensure that my readings stay within a min and max tolerance over a given time. If the rule is violated, the Hark Platform will send emails or text messages to the contacts configured to receive those alerts for this sensor. I can view a set of statistics for the sensor by clicking Summary Statistics. This will provide me with information regarding how many alerts were opened due to this sensor's behavior, how many individual metrics were out of tolerance, and information such as the sensor's average value, how many metrics we've collected in the selected time period, and more. Lastly, if you want to export the sensor's data, click Exports and select the kind of export you'd like. You can export the sensor's readings over a date range, the average value information over a date range, or the alert and audit logs for a sensor over a date range. When I've set up alert rules on my sensors, I can look for sensors on my dashboard which are showing a red status. Clicking the sensor tells me that urgent attention is required. When viewing an alert, I can see why and when the alert was triggered, including the timeline for the alert, which I can add comments to or close the alert after it has been resolved. Under the Alert section, I'll see overactive alerts or be able to find historic alerts that were previously taken care of. The Notifications area will allow me to configure the contacts which are recipients of text messages and emails when an alert is triggered. I can add a contact by giving it a name, email address, and phone number, and then enable whether they should receive emails or text messages. Saving that contact will ensure they receive an alert if an alert is triggered. You can create your own dashboards in the Hark Platform. Click Create and give it a name. You'll be able to create a specific view on how you want to see your information by simply drawing on the dashboard's grid. If I'm interested in seeing my temperature and energy data compared, I'll select Sensor Comparison. Select my temperature sensor. Select my energy sensor, giving the energy sensor an alternative color for the graph. I'd also like to see the last 60 minutes of real-time data, and when I hit save, I'll see the comparison instantly. I can build up my dashboard by combining the available widgets, like this sensor status widget, which will show me the status of my location and the sensors within it. Saving the dashboard will allow me to view this dashboard frequently, or come back to it to make further amends by clicking Edit. If your account has permission to manage the users of your organization, you'll find the Management module in the left-hand menu of the Hark Platform. To create a user, enter their name and email address to get them signed up. From there, I can update their security details to ensure that they have permissions to view and manage what they need to. If I only want them to view sensor data, I can configure that and they won't be able to delete, update, or calibrate in the Hark Platform. From there, you can perform further user management actions such as resetting a password, updating their name, or disabling their account if required.